Hello friends, welcome to AYG Science Tech World YouTube channel. Today I will explain about how to create Discord account and how to create groups in Discord. Open the Discord app. If you don't have Discord account, click on register. Enter your email address here. Enter your username and set a password. After that, click on next. Select your date of birth by the help of scroller. Click on done. Click on create an account. Verify the H captcha. After verifying, the account will be created. You can also save the password to Google so that when we are typing, the recommendation will come on the Gboard. Enter your mobile number here. Enter the confirmation code that has sent through the text message. Allow all the permissions that Discord is asking. Then you have to enter your name so that this is useful for sending the friend request. Click on next. From the contact book, Discord recommends some names as friend. You can also skip this. Now we will see how to create a server. Server is like a WhatsApp group. Click on create your own. Select any one of these. I am selecting me and my friends. Again, accept all the permissions that Discord is asking. Now choose a profile photo for your server. Now click on create server. You can share server link to invite your friends to your server. You can also join study groups in this Discord. So finally we have created our Discord account and we have also created our own server.